What? You want to grab it? Here, I'll help you. I'll hold it. Okay, I'll hold it. You gonna fix it?
Eyes.
Yeah, that is your eyes. Don't put tools in your eyes.
Buddy. Buddy. Buddy.
Don't do that.
Buddy. Buddy.
I don't know what that has to do with bunnies. Here, fix my skate. Make it better. You helping? Are you helping? Wiley, you help me? Earlier she was saying, I help you. Can you say help you?
Help you.
You help me? Fix it. Thank you. Skates. Thank you, baby. Here's one that has wheels. I'll put this one here and you can look at this one. They're dirty. You want to turn it over?
Sure.
Okay, there you go. Open? Do you need one of these?
No.
Okay, what do you need?
What?
Oh, you need this? Wheels? You gonna help me fix my skates? Thank you. Can you look at me and smile? Look at me and smile so I can take your picture. Here you go, Wiley. Look at Mommy. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Peppa? Hi, Sissy. Say hi, Sissy. Look at me. Wiley, look here. Say hi, Sissy. I can't get you to say anything.
There.
There. You fixed it?